Hey y'all, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and stick around for a little while. I have a lot of fun projects coming up. Today I'm going to show you how I made these super cute bunny candle holders. For each candle holder, I used a large round vase from Dollar Tree, a 5-inch glass plate from Walmart, a 4-inch frosted candle plate from Hobby Lobby, one of the cute doe-eyed bunnies from Hobby Lobby, some E6000, a few of the foam carrots that I got at Hobby Lobby, and some of the cuttings off of this grass mat that I also got at Hobby Lobby. I started by making the top of my candle holder. I'm just going to take my E6000 and put it around the top of the round vase, and then I'm going to apply the frosted candle holder on top. I'm going to make sure I get this as centered as possible. Once I have it centered where I want it, I put a heavy candle on it and let it set for 24 hours. To create the inside and the base, I used the glass plate, the bunny, a few of the carrots, some of the grass, and some green Spanish moss. I started by taking some of the grass off of the mat. I then used my hot glue gun to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the glass plate. I then applied my green Spanish moss, making sure to leave enough of the edge open so that I could glue down the top. Once I was satisfied with the base, I then took the bunny and glued it into the center. I then took a few of the grass pieces and cut them in half and used them to arrange around the bunny. Once I had all the grass in place, I then took 3 of the mini foam carrots and placed them around the bunny. I just placed them anywhere I thought they would look cute. Next, I just trimmed up the blades of grass so the top would fit on the base and everything would fit nicely inside. I'm making 2 candle holders, and this is the base of one, and here's the base of the other. I just used the same process for both. Since I want these to be permanent and in my decor for a long time, I'm going to use some E6000 and put it all around the inside lip on each of the bases. Once I have the glue on, I'm going to take the top and make sure I get all the little pieces of grass and carrots and bunny underneath it, and then I'm just going to press the top down. I then just repeat the same steps to glue the top on the other one. Since the hold with E6000 isn't immediate, I place a heavy candle on the top and let it sit overnight. The next day, I decided I wanted to take this green twine and use it to cover the gap between the top and the outside of the plate. Since the plate is a little wider than the base, there is a little bit of a gap. Once I was happy with the way the twine looked, I then went back with my heat gun to remove all the glue strings and the little extra pieces of glue. And here they are once they're done and cleaned up. Aren't they just the cutest? I'm absolutely thrilled with how they turned out. Don't they look adorable with the candles that I made on Friday? These candles are super easy, super affordable, and smell amazing. So if you haven't yet, please go check out that video. You won't regret it. And if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of fun ideas on the way. I'll see you next time.